Hi, do you know what is that most important thing which any defense person moving out of the civil world should be doing? Well, that's a SWOT. That's a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis. So, a SWOT forms the basis of your future life in the civil world. It tells you where you stand. So, it tells you things like whether you should be doing a job or whether you should be getting into entrepreneurship or self-employment. In a job, which domain you should be entering, what verticals, what functions would you be best suited for. And one of the good methods of finding out your strengths and weaknesses in your SWOT is to list out all your past successes and failures and thereafter question each one of them. Look at your successes and then try to find out that key thing which made you stand out. Similarly, question every failure and try to find out that thing which held you back from whatever you're trying to do. Now, as they say, the past is the best predictor of the future. So these will give you some of your major strengths and weaknesses which you can apply into the world outside. Well, there are other methods too of finding out, coming to your strengths and weaknesses, and thereafter also finding out the opportunities and threats out there in the market. We'll be talking about these as well as about sales, digital marketing, finance, networking. These are key skills which any defense person needs to have to be a success in the civil world. We'll be talking about them in our workshop on 27th and 28th July at Noida. So if you are attending the workshop, welcome, and we look forward to having you there. And if you'd like to receive more such tips, well, keep watching this space. Thank you.